Hey guys, I have another haul. The most Mondayest Monday of life. When sourcing over the weekend, found mostly bread and butter. I'm gonna show you. Here we go. First thing I found is this LL Bean fleece. I really like this color. It's a size medium. It's just a lightweight fleece zip up. I really like this color. On this Spider jacket, Spider is an like outdoors brand, like a skier brand. If you're a snowboarder and you wear a Spider, it's like, what are you doing? This is a size large, I believe. Yes, a size large. It's just a fleece jacket. It's got the spider on the back. Whoa, look out my nails. Holy shit, guys, this is the worst nail polish I've ever used in my life. Hold on. Where is it? It's China Glazes in a Lily Bit. Awful. Literally chipped within minutes. Like after it was dry, it literally chipped, and now it's just like, it's awful. All right, I found it. These two sweatshirts, these were both in the women's section, but these are men's. So a men's large, women's extra large. They're both Adidas sweatshirts, and you can see, yeah, it's got like the, I forgot the style name of this, but it's, you know, it's got like the embossed, is that the right word? Lettering. It's like raised. So I found a black one with hoodie strings, and then a gray one without hoodie strings. Same exact sweatshirt, same size. In the women's, but they're definitely men's. I'm probably gonna list them as men's and then say the women's size too. Found some North Face leggings. These are a size medium. Just purple leggings. Levi's 501 jeans. These are a size 25, I believe. Yep, 25. So they look like distressed. 501. All right, so I was stoked to find this brand. Kind of bummed that they're a smaller size. They're definitely gonna have a harder time selling. And when I say like smaller size or like bigger size, I don't mean offense to that. Somebody commented on one of my previous videos and they're like, oh, bigger size, thanks, that's my size. It's like, I wasn't like saying that that's a bad thing. Like I was just speaking the truth. Like a size 10 or 12 is bigger than a size like 2 or 4. So I wasn't like trying to offend anyone. My real subscribers know that. But yeah, somebody got mad. I'm like, I wasn't trying to offend you. I was just saying it's a bigger size. Anyway, I found some good American jeans. These are a size 00. That's a small size. That's a really tiny size. It doesn't get any smaller than 00. So if I say something's like smaller or like bigger, I don't mean offense to that, okay? Everyone gets so offended with literally everything nowadays. It's actually pathetic. It is. All right, so anyway, these are the Good American Good Legs jeans. These are a size 00 or 24. This is what they look like with raw hem. These are really cute. They're definitely high-waisted. Yeah, this is my first time finding this brand, so I'm excited. I wish it was my size so I could try it on. Like, I'm a bigger size than 00. And I don't mean like in a bad way. Like, people just need to stop getting offended by every little fucking thing. Like, just stop. I found some Joe's jeans. I don't really pick up Joe's jeans anymore. I'm trying to like just switch things up with like the brands that I pick up. Like Cut From The Cloth doesn't really sell for me anymore. Joe's jeans don't sell for me, but I wanted to pick these up. The skinny ankle jeans, I don't know. I usually sell just like their bootcut jeans, but I thought these were cute. They are a size 26. And they're in really, really good condition. I got some Lucky Brand jeans. These are a size 6 or 28. I thought these were different because they've got like paint splatter on them. Not really paint splatter. It's like bleach splatter. Like all throughout. Thought they were cool. Found these Victoria's Secret biker shorts. They are a size medium. Just this olive green color. More olive green. This is pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. Just one of their lightweight, what is this called? Sweatshirts. This shirt is sick. It's vintage. When I was like putting things on the counter to ring them up, the cashier was like, oh my gosh, I almost bought that shirt. And she like lifted up her shirt. She's like, see, I'm wearing one just like it. I was like, oh, I'm sorry about this. But this is really cool. This is from the Mountain. That's the brand, size medium. And it's just a really sick ass wolf shirt. Yeah, look at that. It's a long sleeve too. I thought that was cool. Look at those guys. Look at them. You don't want to mess with those guys. It is like a no-name brand, but I just picked it up because, I don't know, I feel like this buffalo plaid print like never goes out of style. It's Avalanche, size large, just a fleece jacket. These are some Prana leggings. This is another brand that I've stopped picking up. They're a size large. I picked them up because of the style. It's like mermaid peacock colors. And they're cropped. This jacket was cool. It's vintage. It's Rawlings. Size large. It's just a really lightweight jacket. It's wrinkled. I'll steam it. This is a women's medium. It's like this tan jacket. The Nike logo on the back. I need to find the style name. There are no tags. Yeah, see, the tag was ripped out. Found this Columbia jacket. It's a size large. Cute. This is sick. I'm yelling. But it's a reversible Adidas jacket. Looks like this. We got red and white on this side. There are a couple stains. Nope, on the other side. This is the back of the red, looks like. And then on the other side, we've got just blue with the 3 stripes. The blue side, yeah, the blue side has a couple of stains near the zipper, but it's nothing too noticeable. Plus, if you wear it on the red side, you can't notice it. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I found this Chubbies jacket. Chubbies is a brand that I found out about from, my camera is crooked, Rally Roots. They find this brand. I can't find this type of jacket, but it's pretty nice. It's an extra large. Well, there's the tag, and it's just a cozy Sherpa jacket. Like long, it's got the, oh no, not kangaroo pouch. It's got 2 pockets on the side. It's got a hood, soft and cozy. I'm thinking this is men's extra large because it's pretty big. And by big, don't take offense. Like a men's extra large, that's a big size. That's bigger. Like I just need to get over that. If people get offended by that, then that's on them. I'm not trying to offend people. I know I'm not being mean by saying that. Okay. On these Nike Pro Leggings, I picked them up because I actually have the matching shirt to this, like the zip shirt, the running shirt. These are size medium, the shirt's a size large. So I'm gonna try to sell them separate, or I'll sell them as a set if somebody's interested. Yeah, I thought these were cute. Athleta shorts, they're size medium. I like the color. Really cute running shorts. They're lined. Guys, I lived in shorts like this over the summer. The Lululemon Hottie Hot shorts. Oh my gosh, I lived in them over the summer. I have so many pairs of them. I love them. I love them. The Hottie Hot shorts and the tracker shorts, they're so comfortable. So comfortable. They come in cute colors too. On this Eileen Fisher, I had to like Google this, but apparently it's Italian yarn, whatever the hell that means. Like, I don't know what's so special about Italian yarn. But it's size extra small, could definitely fit a small. It's just a zip, like a, I don't know. It's definitely like a different material. Like, I guess it's, you can totally feel it. Looks like this. I have sold a couple of Eileen Fisher things, or I have some in my closet. I know I have some Eileen Fisher jeans, and some like regular pants too. I don't know. I see like all these resellers. They're like, oh my gosh, Eileen Fisher. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But it doesn't sell for me. I don't know. I don't know if I'm not picking up the right shit or what. But yeah, this, I mean, this is kind of boring and plain, but you know, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So that is it for this haul. I picked up a few other things, but they already sold, so there's really no point in showing you them because they sold already. One was a pair of Pilcro on the letterpress jeans. That was a brand that I said I was going to stop picking up, although I've sold a couple of Pilcro pants over the past like week or so, maybe 2 weeks. But yeah, these were just high-waisted jeans, and they had like, I don't know, maybe I'll insert a picture. But those sold super quick. And then I sold just a bunch of like Victoria's Secret. Actually, I can show you. I think I have one right here. Yeah, just like Victoria's Secret shirts, like these sequin shirts. I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, Victoria's Secret, I don't pick it up. I pick it up. It's my best seller, especially things with sequins. That is it for this haul. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. I hear a baby crying, so I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!